Hello, my friend. Welcome to this new video. In this case, I would like to talk about a machine simulator, which is a very good software simulator for cells and machines, especially for people who want to learn how to program PLC. This, I think, is a very good option. I haven't done a few videos. I'm gonna keep working on it. So, if you want to get this software, you can go to the website. I'm gonna show you how to do it, and you can get an extra 10% discount, which is great for software like this. So let's go ahead and go to a browser. In this case, I'm using Edge. We go to nerdtech.com. Here we can just go to our product and we go to Machine Simulator, uh, choose Buy Now. And here we have basically two options, which is the USB, where it's when you connect this USB that is gonna be sent to your address. Once this is connected to your computer, you're gonna be able to use it. And standalone, you're gonna use a user and password to get into the software. So you have these two options. Very important stuff here is the lifetime. Anyone you buy is gonna be lifetime. So you have to pay only once for this software. After that, it's gonna be with you forever. It's a huge difference between the new software that are out there, and most of them are by subscription. So you have to be paying every month or every year certain amount of money, like a Factory.io, which is the first competitor of Machine Simulator. You have to pay about $200 or $300 per year. So in this case, it's just 85 euros per just one-time payment, and you are done. So it's a really cool stuff here. So now you just add to cart, go to cart, and here you only have to put the code, which is German Madrid. In this case, it says 85 euros. If you put here German Madrid, apply coupon, and then you get the discount. So it's a very good deal. You just have to put the coupon and you're gonna get this discount. The next step is just the same that any other purchase on internet. Just proceed to check out. You put all your information, of course, your card number and all the information you need to buy it, and you're gonna get a link in your email. You're gonna be able to download it and to use it from the first day. So that's it. That's everything I wanted to talk about today. So I hope this is useful for you, and I see you the next video.